In the historic town of Samobor stands one of its most mysterious landmarks, Villa Wagner. The villa was built in the late 19th century by Ivan V. Wagner, a retired officer of the Austro-Hungarian military frontier who chose Samobor as his peaceful retreat. At the time, it was considered the first true vacation villa in the area, designed as an elegant countryside escape for wealthy families from nearby Zagreb. Surrounded by a carefully designed garden filled with rare and exotic plants, the estate became one of the most impressive private residences in the region, sometimes even called the Samobor Versailles. Over the decades, the villa slowly fell into decay, losing many of the architectural details that once made it remarkable. In this visualization, we recreated Villa Wagner as it may have looked more than a century ago, restoring its facade, windows, roof, and gardens to bring this forgotten piece of history back to life.